think some mountains are just part of the scenery of your life. You've gotten used to them, learned to walk around them, name them normal. You've even started admiring how strong you are for surviving them. The enemy loves that, because admiration without authority keeps you stuck. He wants your mountain to become your identity. But Jesus didn't come to teach you how to cope with mountains. He taught you how to move them. He said mustard seed faith can uproot what everyone else calls permanent. He ruled, nothing will be impossible for you. You weren't made to build a house in the shadow of that thing. You're not the person defined by your mountain. You're the one assigned to evict it.